Did you know that the recent market drop could have easily been avoided or even turned into a profit opportunity? Listen to this entire presentation and learn how you can easily acquire all the tools you need to be always aware of where the market is going and position yourself for strong profits. Just a few weeks ago, bad news from around the world hit like a tsunami investors that saw their portfolio lose 50% in a matter of a few historically extreme bearish days. But how many nights and days of agony could have been avoided by those helpless investors, family people like you and me, if only the right information had been at hand when needed? Same thing happened in the crash of 2007-2008, when a similarly large market drop hit millions of individual investors and took years to recover from, to those who were strong or lucky enough to not sell in panic at the bottom of the cycle, while the rest were locked in their loss with their financial life in shambles. And yet, all that panic, all that suffering was avoidable on these and all of the previous critical situations. The simple but secret and hidden truth is that while it is indeed impossible to foresee a market top or bottom in advance, the proper mathematical analysis of the market can point out a trend change in the very early stages of its development, and one can easily take the appropriate steps to protect the capital invested, or even turn to a bit more aggressive stance and profit from the new downtrend, thus not only protecting one's portfolio, but thriving and enjoying great profits in a fast-moving market. But how can you do that? The chart below shows the daily price of the S&P 500 in mid-February 2020. The market has enjoyed seemingly unstoppable growth in a record-beating bull phase that started in 2009. But on February 21st, our proprietary algorithm flashed a bear trigger, as you can see from the picture on the side, indicating a downward change in trend. That signal meant that any long position should have been closed, securing any portfolio profits, and for those investors comfortable with a bit more aggressive approach, the opportunity to open short positions to benefit from the ensuing market drop. The market did in fact drop almost exactly 50% in 20 days. The financial mass media, the newspapers, the network TV talking heads were screaming and throwing gas over the fire of despair affecting the large number of unaware investors. But a small minority of savvy investors at the same time were counting their profits and their blessings in these very unusual times. Hi, my name is Paul De Caro, publisher of Outrageous Profits, and I'm pleased to have this opportunity to present to you some concepts that are definitely not common knowledge for the average individual investors. See, at the beginning of my investing career, now seems to be a long time ago, I too experienced the rather common and very disturbing experience of watching an account being badly beaten down in a market crash. So I decided to do something about it. My education is in science. I have one of those crazy degrees in one of the most complex branches of physics and mathematics. So to solve this investment problem, I studied the ins and outs of stock analysis and market analysis, theory and applications of fundamental analysis and technical analysis, the effects of geopolitics and macro views, and studied the Nobel Prize worth mathematical models that drive equity pricing. And after years of development, I was able to distill all this knowledge and experience into a comprehensive mathematical system that monitors all the major markets, analyzes the current trends, and identifies the highest probability entry and exit points for new trades. All the grueling development work has paid off handsomely, and I'm now enjoying a very high success rate and the pleasure of seeing my accounts grow reliably week after week. Now I want you to imagine you too being able to reliably create a stream of large profits, building a portfolio that generates supersized returns, even if you're starting with a small account, enjoying the peace of mind of true diversification and total risk control. And here's how. Outrageous Profits is the real-time market analysis service that empowers individuals investors like you and me with the knowledge and the tools that were reserved to the top Wall Street professionals. When you receive our real-time updates, you too can exactly know what the expected market direction is and manage your trades based on mathematically derived high probability signals. No personal opinions here. You can now benefit from true diversification, sensible capital allocation, and confidently managed risk. You can avoid painful losses and see your account grow reliably week after week. If you're interested in learning more, click the link on this video or in the description below. You can start a totally risk-free trial subscription to Outrageous Profits and see for yourself how you can benefit from these truly empowering tools. We take all the complicated stuff that's necessary to analyze and make it simple to understand and implement. So it takes a ridiculously small amount of time and effort on your part to take action and profit. Don't wait. Do this right now. Click the link on this ad or in the description below and enter your primary email address. Then click the button that says Get Free Access. Click the link right now. Thank you, and I'll see you on the very next page.